What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Indie Auto Vlogger channel, and today we are going to be doing a few mods to the Jeep. Now, mods, I mean some pretty small ones, but first, oh my god, she is filthy. So, real quick, we're just gonna get a shot and go get her clean. And boom, there you have it, folks. Now, as I was saying, we're gonna go ahead and look at two small mods that I'm gonna put on the Jeep today, and you guys just happen to get to watch me. So, one of the items we're gonna do today here is this nice 15-inch stubby antenna. Super simple, $19.99 on Amazon, and it's by Rugged Ridge. The other item we're going to look at here in a little bit is just a high-definition screen protector. Now, let's get started. Okay, as I said, we're going to do a high-definition screen protector. I got it on Amazon. It's not a Mopar one, but it says that it will fit the 8.4-inch touchscreen and the Rugged Ridge 15-inch stubby. Now, I'm not a mechanic. I don't claim to be. I've done suspensions on my own, but that's the extent of it. So, I imagine if I can do this, and yes, it's a screw-off antenna, anyone can. And we're back. Okay, it's like 24 degrees out here, and I'm in a sweater, so let's try to make this quick. All right. Oh, shout out to the Chick-fil-A. Oh, all right. You know what? I bet they didn't give me a microfiber cloth in here. That's what happens when you buy things for oh, they gave me two. Look at this. All right, I will include the link to this bad boy on Amazon. You get two screens. Money. And I'm back. All right, found a nice Ray-Bans one in my wife's glasses case. All right, well, get this set up here for you guys. And boom, magic. All right, that works so much more. Thank you, ring light. Alright, thanks for going on that install adventure with me. Like I said, we did the 13-inch stubby antenna and a screen protector. Now, one other thing I wanted to talk about, and I've mentioned it on one of my other videos, is if you guys would want to see any content on ducking other Jeeps. Now, I've seen a few videos out there on YouTube that really show this, but just wanted to get comments, likes, questions, and see if it's worth even in doing maybe an overview of Jeep ducking. You know, of course, Jeep culture being whom they are, people are always finding new ways to make compliments and you know, spread the community love. So as always, thanks for joining the channel, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, at least smash a like for me, let me know I'm doing a good job, and if you have questions, hit me up in the chat.